Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Core for Any. Today we'll to see how to configure dynamic link inside the iPhone iOS device. Let's start. First of all, we need to open the previous video dynamic link and we need some configuration related to Xcode. First of all, we need to set here the minimum version 1. Both path we need to set here and save this. And here one major configuration need to check here this dynamic link. You get this URL put and get this type the response. You need to put inside here the configure project setting and need to go here and select the iOS app, and you need to add here the team ID. Need to put here your developer team ID need to put here, and need to set here your app ID. If you not app ID, so put any app the app ID, because you need to require this for the dynamic link. Both path to remove not possible to, because we are the required, that's why not possible to remove this. And here same like this get error for the iOS to need that here the required. This is the part configuration with the iOS app, and then after need to create here the URL. If you not added, then get this type of response. You can paste this URL and you can get this type of response. If you get this type response, never work is deep linking inside the iOS app. Need to first of all create here the new. If you here get this response, you need to first of all select this and you can remove this, delete prefix, and need to copy this, need to write down and remove this. And you can get first of all here get profile setting opens, and you need to go inside the select iOS app, select, and you can put here the app store ID, app ID, and then after need to set here the team ID and put here and save this here. And then after need to go inside the dynamic link, and you can add here the continue here environment, and you need to set here the code for any page and need to set this. And in this already retrieve in the 1 month, and anyone that here iOS, because delete after not worth the 1 month. Copy this and to paste here. Okay, now here the add this then successfully need to set here, and we need to get here this link and we need to check here. Copy this and we need to press enter, and we need to get here the response. This need to get this type response after work this app. And now we need to configure with this app inside the Xcode. We need to open with the Xcode this app. Without Xcode setting not working this app, need to go open Xcode, and we need to configure here the sign in categories. And now need to go inside. First of all select the here teams. Need to select this team here and need to set here. And now need to add here the compatibility. Need to add access the domain name to put here, and need to write down here the app links, which is most important part of this, and we to put here the domain name, and we need to look like this. We need to pattern set here, add here, and then after we need to go info list, need to issue with here. We need to pull fix this issue, need to spot. Now this code, now need to run again on with the code. Okay, now open this project here. You need to see here, and then go here the URL types, add here. You can write here the same, paste here app links colons, give the website name here, and need to here put the app bundle. We need to go inside the sign up compatibility, and we need to copy this bundle, and we need to put here inside here. We need to put here is done. This process for the required after working this the URL, otherwise not working. First of all, the need to add here the associated the domains we need to add here. Then after we need to add here the URL type. We need to set here the bundle ID, and then after we need to set here app links with the ID. You need to both are the same. This text set, and here select the teams, and then after to select done, this process are the done. Need to close this Xcode, and now need to change this URL here. First of all, need to here this URL. We need to save this, and we need to change as well as Android, because we need to remove this URL, change the and manifest and set here. Okay, now save this, done here. Okay, now we need to run this app inside the simulator, check work or not. Run first of all this app, the simulator. Now if you like this video, please give and this configuration 100% working in the iPhones, but we are required the development programming enrollment. Without enrollment not work this dynamic link inside the iOS device. You need to always give an equation, so please write down in the comment section. And if you're new to please subscribe my channels, and press the notification bell icon. You can get the every new video notifications. If you have any question, to write down in comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Okay, now run this ready to build. Run automatic app here. Take time because we need to install either 4 files. We need to skip this video this time. And now this to install this app and we need to check here. Now we need to create here the link. First of all, to this link, create here and we need to copy this link. And now we need to go home and we need to Safari. Copy this screen and to home Safari. Here this URL open in the home screen. Set here. Now we need to run this app in the release mode and we need to find out how to get team ID. The release, we need to run this command. And now here get the need to select first of all the device. We need to select here the two iOS. We need to run this. iOS to not support the release word. We need to run here. We need to run this app inside the real device. We need to first of all the configure here the device here to share screen with quick time player. We need share screen here my device. Now we need to record movie to share this screen. Yes, share screen here and we need to run this app here. Okay, now run this app here. Need to process start for the connection. Build with building app here. Now processing here the building the this app release mode. Just here. I have the remove old app inside the my iPhones and we process the building for release mode. I'm waiting for the build this app the real device. This is the tip project team ID to put set the Firebase. This is the team ID. Now build this project. Installing this project here. Run this app. Now need to friends. copy this. Detail screening. The first directly any issue. Now need to open home screen and copy this. Close this. Stay. Now we need to close this app here directly. Go on and open. Okay. Working done here. Is the flow. You need to require the development enrollment accounts, and you need to put here this team ID, and need to give here the app ID. After you need to work this successfully, 100% work this demo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, then please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. If you new user, then please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get the every new video notification. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye, and see you too.